Well, I don't know if I can see myself. Because I want to prove everybody that I'm not afraid of my body. Maybe I turn the light on? Wait a minute. Difficulties. Matter of fact, you know what? Fuck it. How about I just turn my light on? That's over here. Because I'm going to show you the real me. Well, I am real. That's right. I'm sorry. What if I just put it here? Would it fit? I don't know. I don't know. I feel stupid. Look at that. That's not gonna quite work out. Well, what if I just look? This is what I'm doing. This is definitely what I want. This is me all over me, but can I put it there? Would it like? I don't know. Okay. I feel like it's not looking at me. You know what? Wait a minute. Matter of fact. You know what? You know what I mean. Hold on. I got someone really coming. Asia! Come here, Asia!
I want ice cream.
Come here. No. That quite didn't work out right. I don't know how to position my camera because I just don't know. Well, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you my wall. Well, this is my father. This is my grandmother. Me, of course. Me, I had a fatty when I was like, I think I was like 17 there. And of course, look at my two besties. Jenny, me, and Chris. And me, of course. My class when I was like 11, 12ish grade. This is my picture. And what else? This is, of course, again, I prom. Wifey all day, every day. When Mikey was a baby. And this of course is my diploma. Yeah. Somebody got my. What is y'all?
You want my ice cream?
Oh.
Trying to turn his ice pops in the freezer what she's eating.
Alright, thank you.
Hey, you wanna go in my room?
You wanna go in my room? Alright, come on. Don't spill that ice cream. Sit down, mama. You wanna say hi? Say hi, Boonga.
Hi.
How old are you, Asia?
I'm Asia.
I know, but you 3, right?
Uh-huh.
You're a princess.